Merry Christmas!
It must be delivered by midnight.
We have 10 minutes. We need a vehicle.
Is this street legal?
It's got a kick. It's got a kick. Too fast.
Centrifugal force.
Sorry.
We have liftoff.
Technically, this is a shortcut.
Hard left, hard right. Right.
We're destroying the neighborhood.
Excellent balance. Thanks, Santa!
I shortcut through the food court. Shortcut! My teeth are rattling. Make a wish! We're flying again!
Soft landing confirmed.
One minute left! Jump!
Hey, please don't!
My legs are frozen. Murphy's Law, working in our favor? The gift!
Go!
Bong.
We did it! Look! A present!
Of course. Nice catch, Zack.
Happy holidays! That's the one!
It's too big, Milo. Pivot. Pivot.
My eyes! Help! I'm festive. Got it.
Here, kitty kitty.
Everything is under control.
Ow! Ow. Condemned by the city.
I call it the Mega Cookie.
White Christmas guaranteed.
No brakes.
Just a little tight. It's a Terminator deer.
It's getting away. All aboard the Tree Express. Steer left. Where is the tree?
Where is the tree?
Hold on.
Gasp.
Spectacular entrance, Murphy.
See? Everything worked out. Help!
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit!
Too much pressure. Too much pressure. Safety first. That's fresh. That's fresh. Fresh. Cough, cough.
Whoa!
Cough, cough.
Sharp knife. Sharp knife.
I tasted kale. It's bad.
I tasted kale. It's bad.
It's alive. Ah! Oh, alive! It's alive!
I am the gluten.
Coming through.
Turn it down!
A bit too much wrist.
Sneeze incoming.
Acho! It's armed.
Fast bake mode.
Is it done already?
I see a skull.
Woo! Oh! Adding foam garnish.
Char grilled surprise.
What is this?
It's complex, smoky.
You are a genius.
I'll leave the rest to the night crew.
Take out next time?
Feeding the turtles.
Whoa!
best meal all day. Cooking is an adventure. Cook adventure.
Hey, stop the ride. Night. Packed light.
Not again.
Move along. Is that a chicken?
Cardio! Yeah!
Open sesame.
A little help? Help?
Very buoyant.
It's sticky.
There go my snacks.
Free floating peanuts.
Is that duct tape?
Does anyone know how to fly?
I played a simulator once.
Pull up, Milo! Teamwork. Teamwork.
We'll have to improvise. We're gonna die!
We have arrived.
Best part of the flight.
Is this eso? This toxic?
At least it arrived.
At least it arrived.
Welcome home.
Let's just walk.
You earned your wings, Zack.
Next trip? Train? Train?
Smell that salt air.
Smell that salt air.
Hot, 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 hot.
Well, that's gone.
Well, that's gone.
My eyes. I can see dolphins.
Nice header.
Don't leave me like this.
Don't leave me like this. Why are there so many?
To the sea.
Oh, no!
Is that a shark?
It's Jack.
It's just Flipper.
Surf's up, way up. Surf's up, way up. Hang 10. Ah!
Thanks, Crab Buddy. Thanks, Crab Buddy. Oh,
Show off. Show off. It's abstract.
my hat. My hat.
X marks the spot. X marks the spot.
It's just sand.
Here we go. Look at that majestic force of nature. Plan B. Plan B. Tozy.
Why did it have to be bats?
I preferred the rain.
See? It passed. It passed.
On the house for surviving.
Best beach day ever. Best beach day ever. Fresh air, nature, danger.
That was our only tent.
Catch of the day?
They're eating me! Bug problem solved.
Hey, that's our tent. Chamomile? It helps with sleep. The tea set.
Sleeping bags are now. Rafts.
Hard to port. Waterfall.
Engage helicopter mode.
Great angle for the vlog. I knew it!
Soft landing.
Protein.
I'm safe. Don't look down.
Who's a good boy?
This is unsafe. Yeehaw!
Thanks for the lift.
We are walking!
Bed, now.
Yeah. Refreshing. Hey, found the tent. Huh? Must have been a stowaway.
Let's never do that again. Until next weekend. Tickets, please.
Oh!
Hey, this?
I can't see.
We're making good time!
I wanted the teacups.
Found someone's glasses.
They're fighting back. Oops.
7 years bad luck? Add it to the pile.
It's all about center of gravity.
Turn it off.
It's sticky! It's sticky! Lunch is served. Woo! Needs more butter.
Okay, we are definitely not riding that.
Safety first. Is that a real beaver?
Prepare for a soft landing.
Better than water, I guess.
See? Things work out.
Nope, no way. Absolutely not.
Guys?
Statistically, the lift hill is the safest part.
The track is gone.
Look, you can see my house from here.
Nice transfer.
Gravity check.
Why won't it stop?
Souvenirs.
Who's hungry?
Smell that? That's the smell of discovery.
Why is it always food? Why?
It's already falling apart.
Technically, that was a bagel shop sign.
That doesn't look like baking soda.
Milo, is this a shortcut?
Hi there, big guy.
I am not going down there.
Error. Destroy.
forecast said 0% rain. Murphy's Law said 100%.
It's everywhere.
I hate nature walks.
Okay, maybe we should leave.
Zack, breathe. It's just a bridge.
I have a wrench.
Don't make eye contact.
Sorry, Jupiter.
You made eye contact, didn't you?
Whee!
Well, there goes the 215.
My hair looks great like this.
My dad said the library is the safest place. Put me down. Put me down.
Go with the flow!
Convenient placement.
It was nice knowing you guys. We just wanted to read. Time to party. Okay, no more libraries. Ooh, shiny! Why me? Always me! Emergency!
Good as new.
He's got moves.
Show off! Too fast! Too fast! Too fast! Aliens! I knew it! Of course! Of course! Just the Thanksgiving Day practice!
Look out!
Uh-oh.
Probability reset.
Great view from up here.
Oh. Now that is statistically unlikely.
Stupid bird!
Lean left.
It neutralized a killer robot. Remarkable.
I'm alive? I'd like to thank gravity. Okay, that was actually kind of fun. We are never doing science again.
Thanks for the ride. Thanks for the ride.
Easy come, easy go. Same time tomorrow?
Is that a bill for the gym?
Mysterious events destroy city infrastructure today.
Hello. See you tomorrow. Just another Tuesday.
All right, final check. Buttering toast? Simple enough, right?
For us, Milo, simple is a 4-letter word that usually ends in disaster. But my safety protocols are ironclad. I've accounted for every variable, even a rogue dust mote.
Just a tiny adjustment here for optimal toast buttering trajectory.
Perfect.
That's new. It usually bounces right off.
No. My calculations. It's stalled. Engage level 1 safety protocol.
Zack, it's just a cog. Don't press the emergency overcorrection button, is it? Whoa! Gently nudge might be an understatement, Zack. Wait, is that my just-in-case backup lever? No, that can't be good.
The secondary toast buttering drone. It's been prematurely activated. That's a level 5 cataclysm.
Oh, cool! Look at it go! So that's what Melissa's just-in-case drone looks like.
This is a level 6 butter event. Uncontained, unpredictable. My emergency butter containment protocols are useless.
Look out! Incoming literature. Oh, fantastic! Now we're having a butter and water party. My denim is not waterproof.
And he's out. Looks like the butter drone is taking this show on the road.
Traffic violation! Airspace infringement! This is a Class A disaster! Someone call air traffic control!
Well, at least someone's getting a grand opening of chaos. My hair is... It's like a butter-powered blimp. A very, very unstable blimp. That is not how I wanted my day to end. Well, look at that! Free advertising and a new town monument. 2 birds, 1 butter drone. Well, at least we didn't burn the toast. We didn't even make the toast. And my safety protocols were butterproof, not butter tsunami proof. Doesn't matter. This is going viral. Hashtag Buttergeddon, hashtag Murphy was here, hashtag toast fail, and
This detour should be completely chaos-free, guys. I've got a good feeling.
See? Perfectly calm. Not a single thing out of place.
Milo? I think perfectly calm might be a strong word for that lamppost. Oh, look! Free pie for everyone!
Not the pigeons. They're like flying, sugary missiles now. Wow, that gorilla looks like it's about to go on an adventure.
I knew taking the scenic route was a bad idea. Every single time.
It's aiming for the clock tower, the historical landmark, my grandma's favorite.
or physically possible for that matter.
He's going for the clouds. What an incredible journey. Is that a cotton candy gorilla meteor? This is definitely a Murphy's Law level event.
Rubber chickens? Sprinkles? I think the laws of physics just filed for divorce.
Well, at least we found some excellent cover. Nothing's getting past this bus stop. We're going UP? We're literally being pulled into the candy cane catastrophe.
Ugh. Just in case it starts raining sprinkles.
You can never be too prepared.
We're gonna land right on the principal's office, aren't we? I knew it.
Well, we made it to school, technically, but I don't think this is the designated drop-off zone.
I think my heart just did a triple somersault and landed in a pile of sprinkles.
Let me check the emergency descent procedures for improbable aerial incidents card. I knew this would come in handy.
You guys have emergency cards for everything, don't you? So, the time travelers just left us here? On a Candy Cloud bus stop?
Aha! Look, a perfectly good fire escape. See? Everything works out.
Let's just get to class before something else optimistic happens.
You coming, Milo? Or are you waiting for a giant rubber ducky to float you down? Well, that was certainly a memorable start to the day. What's next?
Wow, Melissa, Zack, look at all these amazing treats. I'm starving after all that walking.
Milo, just pick one already. You're gonna cause a blueberry avalanche.
Yeah, Milo, she's got a point. You know, things tend to happen. Relax, guys. It's just a muffin. What could possibly go
You just had to say it, didn't you, Milo?
Oh no! The talent show! Is that Mrs. Periwinkle about to yodel?
Well, at least it's a sweet start to the show.
I think sweet is an understatement, Milo. More like catastrophic crescendo.
Oh no, not the badger. It's almost fully inflated. It'll be a giant furry wrecking ball. Look, it's like a really big furry beach ball. We should try to bounce it.
Milo, no. Do not encourage the sentient wrecking ball.
It's heading for the fountain. Brace for splashdown.
Whoa! Instant water park!
And there go the prize-winning picnic blankets. I knew I should have worn my galoshes.
It's like a soggy textile tsunami. Run for cover. Look, the blankets are giving the souvenir cart a ride. How considerate.
Impossible speed? Nothing is impossible when Murphy's Law is involved. Brace yourselves.
It's raining souvenirs! Everyone duck and cover!
A symphony of chaos. What an unexpected percussion section.
Just waiting for the grand finale. It's never just trinkets, is it?
The clock tower. But
Oh, neat. A giant clockwork souvenir for everyone.
That's not a souvenir, Milo. That's a historical landmark about to become a very heavy frisbee.
Even the gargoyles can't stop it. We're doomed.
A perfect landing, right on the giant red button?
And that's the sound of the entire festival's electricity saying goodbye.
It's completely dark. And quiet. Too quiet.
Well, could have been worse. At least that blueberry started it all.
The blueberry. It's always the blueberry, isn't it? Oh, my anxiety.
At least I'm always prepared for the inevitable. Here, let there be light.
Now, who could that be?